Hey there! Today, we're going to look at how to enable TPM 2.0 in Windows. So let's get started. Start by opening the Start menu on your Windows PC and go to Settings. Next, click on Update and Security. Then select Recovery from the left-hand menu. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your system will reboot and take you to the BIOS or UEFI menu. Once inside the BIOS, navigate to the Settings tab and select Security. Now find and open Trusted Computing option by using the Enter key. Inside Trusted Computing, locate the TPM device setting. Set it to PTT, which stands for Platform Trust Technology. This will enable TPM 2.0. After enabling it, press the Escape key to go back, then navigate to Save and Exit. Confirm the changes by selecting Save Changes and Reboot. Your computer will restart now. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.